In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings available on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Sound section. In it, scroll down, tap on Vibrate Vocals, and select the best option for you for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring quarterly. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to tap on it and go back. Now you can also tap on shortcut to prevent ringing and set up vibrate option if it's not already on. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on those switches next to charging sounds and vibration, and that vibration to switch off or on haptics for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!